This is a video on how to use OWL at Purdue for help with citations in an academic paper. Begin by typing OWL at Purdue into Google. I choose OWL at Purdue MLA for help with the language arts. Click the first link and we'll take you to the OWL Purdue online writing lab. By scrolling down on the left-hand side, you'll find everything you need to know for citations in a language arts, English, literature, academic paper. General formatting, paper formatting, and general guidelines will be on the first page after you click the link. The formatting of the first page of your paper is important. And here is a sample of a proper headline for your paper in MLA style. Begin with your name, professor's name or teacher's name, what class it is you're writing for, and the date that the paper is due, not the date that you wrote the paper. Be sure to have the date, the month, and then the year. Have a clever title of your paper. It's important to do in MLA. Also, your last name of the author, and the page number in the upper right-hand corner. Let's look up here on the left at some other additional citation rules. Clicking on the in-text citation, the basics, this can be very helpful when doing in-text citations and how to cite an author or a website. Typically in MLA, we do the author's last name of the citation from which you're taking a quote and the page number on which you found it. In-text citations can appear in many different ways, so make sure that you're using the proper one when you're citing more than one author or citing from a website. Let's click on the Works Cited page because this will be very helpful when you're citing all of the sources that you've used in your paper. So for example, when you've used an in-text citation and you used the author's name and the page number, the Works Cited page is where you will put the book from which you took your quotation. So you will use the page number from which you pulled from the book. This gives many ideas on where you can find different citations and quotes. You can quote movies, films, anything that you think will help your paper, and here is how to cite all of them on your Works Cited page. As you can see, there are many helpful tips here. Anything you'd need to know about citations in the MLA style for your paper. Should you need to use APA style, Chicago, or any other style, OWL at Purdue also has those available. I hope this video is helpful. Please contact me if you have any more questions about MLA style.